आ रही हो। ओके।
Okay. Gymnosperms. The meaning for gymnosperm. Gymno means naked. Sperms means seeds. Naked seeded plants are known as gymnosperms. Okay, na? Naked seeded plants are known as gymnosperm or phanerogams without ovary wall. Ovary wall. Phanerogams without ovary or ovary wall are known as gymnosperm. So that's why ovules become naked. After fertilization, ovule changes into what, Nana?
Seed.
Ovary changes into
Fruit.
fruit. When there is no ovary, that means after fertilization, there is no formation of.
Fruit.
So as a result, seeds become
Naked.
followed up.
Yes.
Okay. So most of the xerophytes, they are evergreen. Most of the gymnosperms are evergreen xerophytic plants. Xerophytes. You cannot find hydrophytes among the gymnosperms. Majority of the members are evergreen xerophytes. And mainly it includes medium-sized or tall trees. Some
Shrubs.
Generally, herbs are not found. Which plants are not found?
Herbs.
Herbs. Small, delicate, soft plants are known as herbs. Herbs are not found. Woody, bushy plants, shrubs, only some. And mainly it includes medium-sized or tall-sized trees. Smallest gymnosperm. Can you guess?
Zamia pygmy.
Zamia. Tallest
Sequoia.
Redwood tree.
sequoia. Giant redwood tree. No?
Yes.
Giant redwood tree. This is the tallest. Okay. So mainly they are xerophytes. It includes medium-sized, tall, medium-sized trees, or tall trees, shrubs, but generally herbs are absent. And tallest, this is given in your syllabus. Tallest is the sequoia, that is giant redwood tree. Okay. Now, if you talk about the root system, generally
Taproot system.
taproot system. These are important, which I am writing now. In cycas, modified roots
Coralline
are-
roots.
they are associated with.
Nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria.
Very good. They are associated with nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. That helps in nitrogen fixation. It includes nostoc,
Anabina.
anabina, nostoc. But whereas in the case of Pinus,
Mycorrhiza.
mycorrhizal roots. So what is the difference between coralline roots? Coralline roots helps in nitrogen fixation. Mycorrhizal roots mainly helps in phosphate absorption. Okay, na? Not fixation. Phosphate absorption from the soil. Okay. What type of modified roots are found in cycas?
Coralline roots.
Coralline.
Pinus.
Mycorrhiza.
Which roots helps in nitrogen fixation?
Coralline roots.
Which roots helps in phosphate absorption?
Mycorrhizal roots.
Okay, na? Next, stem. Maybe unbranched. Means chordic stem. In the case of cycas. In cycas, which stem is present?
Unbranched.
In some cases, it may be
Branched. As in Pinus.
Pinus cedrus.
here it is known as excurrent. Excurrent means conical shape. Okay, na? Pinus. Unbranched stem in the case of cycas. Branched stem in the case of Pinus. Okay, na? And this unbranched stem is cardex. Cardex means palm-like appearance. You see the diagram in CRT, palm-like appearance, no cycas.
Yes, sir.
And in the case of Pinus, it is branched. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And in the case of Ginkgo biloba, which plant?
Ginkgo biloba.
Ginkgo biloba. It is a living fossil. Which fossil?
Living fossil.
Living fossil. In this case, it produces two kinds of branches. Okay, na? Are you following now?
Yes.
So there are
Yes, sir.
two kinds of branches. They are known as
Long and
branches
dwarf
are
shoot.
known as long shoot. Short branches are known as
Dwarf shoots.
dwarf shoots. Okay, na? But here you must remember, long shoot bearing the seeds. Which one is bearing, Nana? Seeds?
Long shoots.
Long shoot bearing the seeds. This diagram, just you go through the ginkgo biloba labeling part, very, very important. Upper dwarf shoot, lower long shoot. Okay, na? You see the diagram, ginkgo biloba. Upper, which shoot, Nana?
Dwarf shoot.
Lower.
Long shoot.
So long shoot is bearing
Seeds.
Seeds.
and also
Dwarf shoot.
Dwarf shoots.
Dwarf shoot.
so dwarf shoot develop from long shoot. Okay, na? This is about the step. Next, leaves. Maybe simple.
Simple or compound.
Simple in the case of Nita or compound. In the case of cycles, pinnately compound leaves are
compound.
present. Which leaves are present?
Pinnately
Pinnately compound.
And another interesting feature is that not only pinnately compound leaves, and these leaves persist to live for a few years. Generally, leaves when a leaf develop, it can survive for years. Huh?
No.
No, sir.
No,
In some
sir.
plants, in 1 day, few days at most. Then after that, it will fall, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But here, in the case of cycles, pinnately compound leaves, but even they can stay on the plant body for even for few years. That is interesting feature. And in the case of pinus, leaves are more
Needle-like leaves.
needed like. So this is the modification. Leaf modification is well adapted to withstand the extremes of temperature, humidity, and wind. Okay, na? Nana.
Yes.
Leaf modification, very important. This statement previously also asked. Leaves in gymnosperms. Well adopted. To whom, Nana? Extreme?
Temperature.
Temperature,
Only
humidity.
temperature
Temperature, humidity, and wind.
Humidity, wind.
and wind. This is very, 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 very important. And anatomy of the leaf also, if you see, they possess thick cuticle,
Sunken
sunken
stomata.
Sunken stomata.
These all are the xerophytic
Adaptation.
to reduce the rate of transpiration. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sporophytic plant body is dominant, no? Okay, na? It may be monoecious. Monoecious sporophyte is
Finite.
seen. Huh?
Finite.
Dioecious.
Cycus.
Cycus.
Dioecious means male sporophyte and
Female sporophyte are different.
so monoecious sporophyte is also known as
Bisexual.
This is known as
Unisexual.
unisexual sporophyte. Example for this,
Cycus.
cycles. Followed up? Any doubt?
No.
In Pinus, both
Strobilia present.
male and female cones are strobili, born on the
Same tree.
Same tree.
same sporophyte. First same sporophytic plant body. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
In cycles, only male cones are found at the apex of where, Nana? Apex of the
Unbranched.
Unbranched stem.
no female cone formation. Okay, na?
Yes.
In cycles, both male and female cones are formed. Where they are born? Where they are born?
The same spore of the unbranched.
In Pinus, male and female cones are born on two
Same
different
sporophyte.
Same
different,
sporophytic plant body.
sporophyte on the same gametophyte on the same sporophyte. Which one is correct?
Same spore.
Same sporophyte.
In Cycas, all male cones are born at the apex of the unbranched stem of
Unbranched.
gametophyta, sporophyta.
Sporophyte.
So cones or strobili formation is associated with sporophyte, not gametophyte. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in cycles, which cone formation is absent?
Female
Female
cone.
cone.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes.
So note, in Pinus and Cycas, sporophyte. It means
Monoecious. Dioecious.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
okay, na? Both sporophyte, gametophyte are dioecious in
Cycles.
sporophyte is monoecious, gametophyte is dioecious in.
Pinus.
Pinus.
Okay, na?
Yes, yes.
Very, very, very. From this compulsory 1%. Okay, na?
Yes,
You
sir.
won't forget, no?
No, sir.
Male cone. This is female cone. Male cone is made up of
Microsporophyte.
Microspore.
microsporophylls when closely compactly arranged. That results in formation of
Male strobila.
if they are
Male
loosely
cone.
arranged. If loosely arranged,
No cone.
Sporangium.
no cone formation. Okay, na?
Yes.
Whether male or female cone. In cycles female, female cone is not found. Why? Because megasporophylls are loosely arranged. If they are closely compactly arranged, there is a cone formation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Microsporophylls produces
Microsporangia.
Microsporangia.
microsporangia produces.
Micro mother
mother
cells.
Here, microspore mother cells are also known as
Pollen mothers.
pollen. Pollen mother cells undergoes
Reduction.
Reduction division.
Reduction.
that results in
Microspores.
Microspores.
are
Pollen grains.
pollen grains are winged pollen grains are found in.
Pinus.
Very important. Okay, na? Okay, na? This is
Yes.
2019 or 18, 17, 18 or 19. I didn't remember. Sorry. Winged. This is beyond NCRT. But ask. Winged pollen grains are found in.
Pinus.
Pinus.
This is the first cell for male gametophyte, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Sporophyte NCL 2N up to these all are 2N. And now at this stage, what happened?
Pollination.
Pollination.
What type of pollination?
Anemophilous pollination.
Anemophily.
Twin pollination.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Who is the naked now?
Yes.
sir. But in angiosperm, first they reaches to
Stigma.
Stigma.
then it germinate and form pollen tube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then after style, next it reaches to
Ovary.
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 at last it reaches to.
Female
Ovule.
gamete.
So it is which pollination?
Indirect.
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 But here which pollination?
Direct.
Direct form.
Direct.
Because ovules are
Naked.
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 because ovary is not present, no?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Open carpels. Here closed carpels. Here open. Okay. Here flowers are unisexual. Okay, na?
Yes. Sir.
So which pollination occur?
Direct.
Direct means reaching here. Self pollination or cross pollination?
Crosspot.
Cross
pollination.
pollination.
Agent
Wind.
Anemophilus. Wind.
anemophile. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
DCA. D for
Direct
Direct
pollination.
cross
D
pollination.
for
Cross pollination.
A for
Anemophily.
Anemophily.
Anemophilus.
Ardhamainda.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So after pollination, pollen grain germinates and produces the
Pollen tube.
pollen tube. And this pollen tube carries the
Male gametes.
Gametes.
male. Male gametes are
Non-motile.
Motile.
in all seeded plants. Pollen grains are male gametes are carried by
Pollen tube.
Pollen tube.
in all seeded plants. Male gametes are carried by pollen tube. Pollen grain germinates, form pollen tube. The function of pollen tube to carry the male gametes. So over the male gametes here,
Non-motile.
Non-motile.
exceptionally
Cycles.
multi-ciliate.
Ciliated.
In
Cycles.
it is a fern character. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Ferns produces multiciliated male gamete. So, being a gymnosperm, exceptional case, multiciliate. Generally, male gamete should be non-motile, non-ciliated or non-flagellated. But cycles, is a primitive gymnosperm, still it exhibiting fun character that is multiciliated male gametes. In the entire plant kingdom, largest
Ovule.
largest
By cycles.
okay na? What are largest in the plant kingdom?
Male gamete,
Male
female
gamete,
gamete, and
female
ovule.
gamete, and ovule.
Of
Cycles.
Cycle.
Cycles.
generally in gymnosperm, male gamete should be non-motile, no?
Yes.
But
Yes.
here
Motile.
Multi-seed. Multi-seed.
multi. Okay na?
Yes.
So when the pollen tube carries the male gamete to the vicinity of egg cell, this type of fertilization is known as
Siphonogamosogamy.
fertilization is which type of siphonogamous
Ogamy.
oogamy. Oogamy two types: zooidogamous oogamy and siphonogamous oogamy. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Zooidogamous oogamy means male gamete is small, motile, and female gamete is large and non-motile. This is known as zooidogamous oogamy. This is seen in
Angiosperms.
Angiosperms and cycle.
Algae.
Yes,
algae.
sir.
And
All bryophytes.
because in algae I did not mention all. In algae, isogamy, anisogamy, zooidogamous oogamy. Three types are seen. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But in bryophyte, pteridophyte, sir, zooidogamous.
Ogamy.
In all flowering plants, gymnosperms and angiosperms.
Siphonogamosogamy.
Exceptional case in the case of cycles.
Both.
Both siphonogamous and zooidogamous.
Both siphonogamous and
Zooidogamy.
both are seen. First siphonogamous, next zooidogamy. Exceptional case. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But even though cycles exceptionally male gametes are motile, ciliated, even zooidogamy is same. But common character, what is that? All gymnosperm.
Siphonogamosogamy.
Siphonogamous means pollen tube carries the male gametes. Okay na? To the vicinity of egg cell. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Sir.
Female. Female cone is made up of
Megasporo.
Megasporophils.
megasporophils produces
Megasporangium.
Megasporangium.
here megasporangium is known as
Ovule.
Megaspore mother, sir.
ovule. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
First time megasporangium is seen in Heterosporus pteridophytes. That Heterosporus megasporangium become
Covered with
Integumented.
integumented megasporangium. Integumented megasporangium is the definition for the
Ovule.
ovule.
what is ovule?
Integumented megasporangium.
Here, what type of ovules are found in gymnosperms?
Naked.
Naked. Orthotropous. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Naked, orthotropous, and united. Okay?
Yes,
Unit.
sir.
This using like pollination, direct, cross pollination, anemophily. 3. Here also I'm using N for naked, O for orthotropous, U for unity. Okay na? Now this using megasporangium is equivalent to
Ovule.
Ovule.
so inside ovule produces
Megaspore mothers.
Megaspore
How
mothers.
many megaspore mother cells are differentiated?
2 or more.
1.
But how many microspore mother cells? Many. Hundreds, thousands. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, na? From one microsporangium, how many microspore mothers are? Many are formed. Hundreds, thousands are. But in from one ovule, from one megasporangium, this is the ovule. This is the megasporangium. How many megaspore mother cells are formed?
1.
Single.
This one undergoes
Reduction.
Division.
Division.
and forms
4 megaspores.
linear tetrad, no?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4. Linear tetrad. Half
4 megaspores.
of megaspore. Here, how many microspore tetrads are formed? Many. Okay, na? Are you following now?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
Yes, sir.
one microsporangium produces 1000 microspore mother cells. How many microspore tetrads are formed?
1000 tetrads.
1000. But how many microspores are formed? 4000. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
But
sir.
here only one megaspore mother cell difference. How many tetrads are formed?
1 tetrad.
1
One
tetrad.
tetrad.
One
Out
tetrad.
of here all microspores are functional. Okay, they germinate and
Yes.
form pollen grains. But out of 4, here
3
how many are
degenerate.
functional?
3
One
degenerate,
is functional.
Only
One
1
is
is functional.
1, 2, 3 generate. Only one is functional. This is functional megaspore. This functional megaspore develops into
Egg.
Gamete.
Female gamete.
gametophyte.
known as a male gametophyte. No,
Yes, sir.
pollen tube with male gametes is known as a male gametophyte. Okay, na? It develops into female.
Gameto.
The cells of female gametophyte are abundantly rich in reserve food material. Hence, it is acts as a
Primary.
Endosperm.
which endosperm?
Haploid.
Primary.
Generally, endosperm is post fertilization product. No,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
it is formed due to triple fission. No,
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
diploid is 3N. No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
but here endosperm is pre-fertilization product.
Yes, sir.
Before fertilization, without fertilization, it is forming, and direct and endosperm is nothing but a
Female.
Female gameto.
Female gametophyte.
female gamete. Follow that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And at maturity, female gametophyte produces female sex organ called
Archegonium.
Archegonium.
archegoniated seeded plants are
Gymnosperms.
Gymnosperms.
non-seeded archegoniated plants are
Angiosperm.
Bryophytes and pteridophytes.
okay, na? Correct. Female gametophyte is nothing but a applied endosperm that produces 2 or
2 to 8 archegonium.
2 or more. Generally 2 to 8 also. More I mentioned. Or 8. Each archegonium produces in archegonium the cells are absent.
Neck cells.
The cells.
Neck canal.
Neck canal cells.
Neck cells are present, but neck canal cells are
Absent.
absent. Okay. Fertilization takes place inside the venter of archegonium, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Fertilization. Which fertilization?
Siphonogamous.
Siphonogamous oogamete.
This results in formation of
Zygote.
Zygote.
inside the
Vent.
Archegonial venter.
vector of archegone. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But more than one zygote is formed, no?
Yes, sir.
Why more than one zygote is formed?
Two or more
Two
archegonia.
or more
You say,
archegonias.
for example, archegonium with there are 8 archegonia. How many zygotes are formed?
8 zygotes.
8 can be formed.
8 zygote develops into. Each zygote develops into
Embryo.
Embryo.
means generally how many embryos are formed?
8 embryo.
8.
In general,
1.
1. But here
8 embryo.
8.
more
8.
than one. Yes or no?
Polyembryo.
Yes, sir.
Polyembryone.
Polyembryon is characteristic feature of
Gymnosperms.
Gymnosperm.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
And ultimately it develops into which? Into
Naked seed.
4 or 5.
naked seeds. Yes or no? Naked seed contains seed coat and embryo. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it germinates to give rise to sporophyte. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is about the
Gymnosperm.
gymnosperm. Followed up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Enclosed seed bearing plants are
Angiosperm.
Angiosperm.
Angiosperms.
phanerogams with ovary.
Angiosperms.
Angiosperms.
Phanerogam which produces fruits.
Angiosperm.
Angiosperms.
Fruit formation is the exclusive unique feature of.
Angiosperms.
Angiosperm.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angio means
Fruit.
sac, vessel. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sperms means
Seeds.
seeds are inside the
Ovary.
Sac.
sac. The sac is now named as
Ovary.
fruit. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Before fertilization, sac is the ovary wall. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Ovary. After fertilization, it become
Fruit.
Fruit.
a pericarp. Correct?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And ovule become
Seed.
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 enclosed inside the.
Fruit.
Fruit.
That is the meaning. Angiosperms. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angiosperms are found in all types of habitats. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
They found as
Hydrophytes.
they found as
Mesophyte.
Mesophytes.
Mesophytes.
they found as.
Xerophytes.
Xerophytes.
So majority of the members are.
Mesophyte.
Mesophytes.
It include all types of plants. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Of shrubs, trees, climbers, etc., etc., all types. What not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Basically, these are two types, no?
Dicotyledon.
Dicotyledonous plants and
Monocotyledonous plants.
monocotyledonous. So dicot plants Root system.
Taproot
Tap
system.
root.
Here,
Fibrous root.
Fibrous root system.
adventitious root system. That is fibrous. Okay, na? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Venation.
Reticulate venation.
Reticulate
Reticulate
venation.
venation.
Parallel venation.
Venation.
Non-essential organs. Arrange it in two words, no?
By
And differentiated into outer wall is known as non-essential organs of the flower are. Which are the non-essential organs of the flower?
Sepals and petals.
So they are having two walls are
bicarpal.
dichlamydias are
Yes, sir.
arranged in two walls, no? Yes or no? Like they are in two walls, no, no, no.
Yes, sir.
And differentiated, outer
Yes,
wall is known as
Calyx.
calyx, small, green in color, no? Inner wall, brightly colored, attractive, known as.
Corolla.
So they are differentiated. Hence the name. Hetero. Chlamydius. But here, dichlamydius and homochlamydius. Because here we use tepals, not differentiated into calyx and corolla. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you following, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, flowers are found in. Flower consists of four walls, no, Nana. Outer wall, calyx, inner wall, corolla, third wall, anoecium, fourth wall, gynoecium. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Outer two walls are non-essential organs, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Inner two walls are known as essential organs, no?
Yes, sir.
So if non-essential organs are arranged in two walls and differentiated into outer wall as a calyx, inner wall as corolla, what are the two terms you can use?
Dichlamydia.
Dichlamydosa.
Heterochlamydia.
If it is not differentiated,
Homochlamydia.
Homochlamydia.
and members of homochlamydias are known as
Monocot.
Monocot.
staples. Correct? Huh? Here heterochlamydias. Outer wall, calyx. Members sepals. Inner wall, corolla. Members petals. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here you are using perianth. Yes or no? Perianth. Members of perianth are known as.
Tepals.
Tepals.
Okay, na? Here, how many sepals and petals are present in a flower? 4 or 5, no?
Yes, sir. Tetramerous, pentamerous.
Tetramerous or pentamerous.
Tetramerous. Example, which family? Brassicas.
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 Or pentamerous. Sepals 5, petals 5. Sepals 4, petals 4. Means tetramerous. If it is 3 or multiple of 3, it's known as.
Trimerous.
Trimerous.
Trimerous flowers are characteristic feature of.
Monocot.
Tetra or pentamerous is characteristic feature of.
Dichot.
Dicotyledonous.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
The third wall of the flower is known as.
Androecium.
Androecium.
Androecium. Members of androecium
Stamen.
Stamen.
remain differentiated into how many parts?
Two
Two
parts.
parts.
Stalk is known as.
Filament.
Upper solen fertile pollen producing.
Anther.
Anther is equivalent to microsporangium. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Stamen produces polar mother cells or microspore mother cells. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Stamen consists of anther. Correct? Anther other name
Microsporangia.
that produces
Microspore mother cells.
or
Pollen mother cells.
that produces
Microspores.
or
Pollen grains.
these are carried by
Pollen tube.
pollen tube. Pollen tube plus male gametes is equal to
Male gametophyte.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
It is 3 cell, 3 nucleated. Correct? Pollen tube cell, 1 cell, and 2 non-motile male gametes. Okay, na? This is the male gametophyte. Here, female reproductive structure is known as
Gynoecium.
members of gynoecium.
Carpel.
Fertile carpel differentiated into
3 parts.
Stigma,
ovary
style,
and
ovary.
stigma. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pollen lands on the
Stigma.
and there it germinates to give rise to
Pollen tube.
Pollen tube.
pollen tube grows through.
Style.
Style.
Then it reaches to
Ovary.
Ovary.
ovary. Inside the ovary, what is present?
Ovule.
Locule is present. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Locule possesses
Ovule.
placenta. Placenta possesses ovule. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Ovary possesses
Locule.
Locule.
locule possesses
Placenta.
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 ovules arranged on the
Yes.
placenta of the ovary. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Inside the locule. Yes or no? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ovules may be unitechnic or bitechnic, no? Oi, in angiosperms, ovules may be unitechnic or bitechnic. Okay, na? These are how many integuments are there in my diagram?
2.
1,
Hmm?
2.
2,
2.
Outer integument, inner integument. This is known as
Lock.
ovule body.
Lock.
Ovule body is known as ovule body is known as ovule body is known as nucellus. Ploid is 2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And in the ovule body towards micropylaria, this cell is differentiated. Megaspore mother cell. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Megaspore mother cell undergoes reduction division. That results in formation of
Megaspores.
linear tetrads of megaspore. Same. Correct?
Yes, sir.
yes,
How many are functional?
1,
One.
Function.
Which one?
Female gametophyte.
Lower one. And this lower one undergoes free nuclear division and results in formation of
Embryos.
female gametophyte. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This female gametophyte of angiosperms is also known as
Embryo sac.
and
embryo, no? Embryo sac.
Embryos.
Embryo sac.
Which is how many cell?
3 cell.
7 cell, 8 nucleated.
7 cell. And how many nucleated?
8
8
nucleated.
nucleated.
A group of 3 cells present over the micropylarine known as
Egg
Antipode.
apparatus.
Antipodal cells.
egg apparatus. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Egg apparatus is made up of
1
Synapse.
XL, 2 synergies.
Cell and 2 synergids.
one
Egg
Egg
cell.
cell and 2 synergids.
and 2 synergies. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These all applied is applied now.
Yes, sir.
A group of 3 cells present over the chalazar and
Antipodal.
Antipodal.
Antipodal cells.
how many?
3.
3 antipodals.
3 antibodies.
Which is the largest cell?
Pole.
Polar nucleus.
Polar nucleus.
Right.
Central cell.
How many nucleated?
2 nuclei.
Binucleated. These two are now 2 polar nuclei. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which is the largest cell?
Central cell.
Central
Yes, sir.
Central
Total
cell.
how many cells? 3 plus 3,
6.
6.
7.
7 cells. How many nuclei? 1, 2, 3,
Eight.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Pollen tube enters no by carrying how many male gametes?
2 male gametes.
2.
2
We
male
can
gametes.
find one of the synergies. The pollen tube comes and bursts and releases the 2 male gametes. No,
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
before or after entry, these 2 polar nuclei fuses to form a diploid
Secondary nucleus.
Secondary
Second.
nucleus.
First male gamete fuses with
XL.
Egg cell.
this results in formation of
Zygote.
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 this fertilization is known as
Syngamy.
normal fertilization. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You said syngamy. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
And second male gamete fuses with
Secondary
Secondary
nucleus.
nucleus.
Secondary
Yes.
nucleus.
this fusion is known as
Triple fusion.
Triple fusion.
this cell is known as now central cell now become
Primary
Primary
endosperm.
endosperm nucleus.
cell,
Cell.
and this nucleus become
Primary endosperm nucleus.
followed up.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many fertilizations occur?
2 fertile.
2.
Fertilization.
One normal fertilization. Result is
Zygote.
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 one vegetative fertilization. Result is
Triple fusion.
Primary
Primary
endosperm
endosperm
cell.
cell.
Endosperm cell.
so total how many fertilizations occur?
2.
2 fertilization.
2 fertilizations.
So hence this fertilization is known as
Double
Double
fertilization.
fertilization.
Double fertilization.
so fruit formation and double fertilization is the unique feature of
Angiosperm.
Angiosperm.
followed up.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Sir.
Most of the algae shows which type of life cycle?
Haplontic.
Haplontic life.
Most of the
Algae.
Algae.
and the members which shows Atlantic life cycle, sporophytic generation represented by single cell or one cell.
Zygote.
Zygote.
So sporophytic generation is represented only by,
Zygote.
Zygote.
and this undergoes
Meiosis.
meiosis and forms.
Haploid
Haploid
spores.
spores.
So that means most of the lifespan is represented by applied phase. No,
Yes, sir.
only short-lived single cell diploid cell called zygote, sporophyte generation. So that's why this life cycle is.
Haplontic.
Haplontic.
So this plant shows which type of meiosis. Which cell is undergoing meiosis?
Zygote.
Zygote. Zygotic meiosis or initial meiosis. Okay, na? Some algae example. C for
Chlamydomonas.
Chlorella.
for
Volvox.
Volvox.
for.
Spirogyra.
Okay. Diplontic lice.
Fucus.
Which ear?
Angiosperms and gymnosperms.
Ear dominant face is sporophyte, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ear dominant face is
Gametophyte.
Gametophyte.
and ear gametophyte generation is fusel. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is characteristic feature of
Angiosperms.
Angiosperms and gymnosperms.
angiosperms, gymno. Exceptionally
Fucus.
fucus. It is a
Algae.
Brown algae.
and they show sporic meiosis. Which meiosis?
Sporic meiosis.
Here zygotic. Here sporic. Okay, na? And this fellow shows gametic meiosis. Which meiosis?
Gamete.
Next, haplo
Diplontic.
diplontic life cycle. It is seen in
Bryophytes.
Bryophytes and pteridophytes.
Pteridophytes.
identify a group of plants in which gametophytic generation is dominant that shows haplodiploidic life cycle.
Algae.
Huh?
Falciform.
Identify the plant group in which gametophytic generation is dominant and that shows haplodiploidic life cycle.
Falciform.
Bryophyte.
Bryophyte.
Identify the plant group in which sporophytic generation is dominant that shows haplodiploidic life cycle.
Pteridophytes.
Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Gametophytic generation is dominant with haplodiploidic life cycle means
Bryophyte.
Bryophytes.
sporophytic generation is dominant with haplodiploidic life cycle means
Pteridophyte.
exceptionally algae that shows haplodiploidic life cycle.
Falciform.
Carpus polycyphonia.
Ecto,
Ectocarp.
Carpus.
many clips. This all belongs to
Brown.
Down algae.
Brown algae.
polycyphonia belongs to
Red algae.
Red algae.
Red algae.
okay na?
Yes, sir.
These examples are very important. Okay? Syllabus completed. No? Tomorrow I will have the questions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Now. Bye. Prepare and come tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye now.
Thank you, sir. Bye.